Welcome back to another episode of Top Tech Growth Hacks. I'm Alex, and I'm joined as always by my co-host, Jamie.
Hey everyone, great to be here. Today, Alex, we're diving into a sector that's absolutely booming, but also incredibly complex, healthcare technology, specifically building telehealth platforms and MVPs.
Absolutely, Jamie. The numbers are staggering. The telehealth market alone is projected to hit a whopping $244 billion by 2026. That's a massive opportunity for startups. But there's a huge catch, isn't there?
There is. The article we're discussing today highlights a critical pain point. Most healthcare startup MVPs, despite that massive market, won't survive their first compliance audit. It's not enough to have a great idea and a working prototype.
Exactly. The gap between a working prototype and a production-ready, HIPAA-compliant platform is where so many promising ideas just die. And it's fundamentally different from building a regular SaaS tool.
You're not just dealing with user experience and features. You're dealing with protected health information, FDA considerations for medical devices, complex interoperability standards like HL7 and FHIR, and most importantly, patient safety. Get any of that wrong, and it's not just a bug, it's a potential disaster.
Which brings us to the core of the issue, picking the right development partner. The article really emphasizes that choosing a generalist agency for a healthcare product is a huge risk. You could end up with a beautiful front end, but a back end that crumbles under a basic HIPAA security assessment.
And half your budget gone. Back to square one. A specialized healthcare development partner is non-negotiable. They architect for HIPAA and GDPR compliance from the very first sprint, build secure data pipelines, design for interoperability with existing EMRs, and plan for scale right from the MVP stage. They don't learn on your dime.
That's such a crucial point. So for founders listening, what should they be looking for in these specialized partners? The article provided some excellent criteria.
Definitely. You need verifiable healthcare project portfolios, relevant certifications like ISO 13485 for medical device quality management or ISO 27001 for information security, and proven HIPAA compliance. Look for telehealth-specific case studies, strong client reviews on platforms like Clutch, and the ability to balance MVP speed with enterprise-grade security.
The article listed 10 companies that fit the bill, each with unique strengths. For example, Glorium Technologies, based in New Jersey, stands out for full-cycle healthcare software with ISO 13485 certification, perfect for compliant MVPs that need to scale.
And then you have companies like Innowise, based in Poland, which specializes in FDA-regulated medical device software, crucial for Class 2/3 applications. Or Arkenya from San Jose, a pure-play healthcare development company, meaning every engineer lives and breathes health sector constraints daily. That singular focus is invaluable.
Exactly. And others like 7T in Dallas focus on AI-driven solutions with a business-first approach, or Elix from Estonia, which excels at modernizing legacy systems and handling complex interoperability with standards like HL7 and FHIR. There's a niche for every need.
It really underscores that one-size-fits-all simply doesn't apply here. If you're building a mobile-first telemedicine app, Folio 3 in Palo Alto is a great option. If you're focused on AI-powered virtual health assistants, Rise Apps in Estonia is highly specialized.
So, wrapping this up for our listeners, what are the absolute must-ask questions for any healthcare founder evaluating a development partner?
The article boils it down to 3 critical questions. 1, do they hold relevant certifications like ISO 13485 or ISO 27001? 2, can they show live production-ready telehealth platforms they've actually built? And 3, do they truly understand the difference between HIPAA-aware and HIPAA-compliant? The answers to those questions will tell you everything you need to know.
Those are fantastic takeaways, Jamie. The telehealth market is an incredible space, but navigating its complexities requires genuine expertise. Choosing the right partner isn't just a smart move, it's often the difference between success and failure.
Couldn't agree more, Alex. Thanks for breaking down such a vital topic with me today.
And thank you to all our listeners for tuning in to Top Tech Growth Hacks. We'll catch you next time.
See you then on Top Tech Growth Hacks.